that's Marcus. Her dad keeps telling me, he says, you want tractor parts or a wedding? Take your pick.
Oh, no, Mark. You need a little more egg.